In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Squarespace. Navigating Squarespace to monitor and manage comments can seem a bit tricky at first, but it's an essential part of engaging with your audience and fostering a community around your content. Whether you're running a blog, an e-commerce site, or a portfolio on Squarespace, understanding how to access and respond to the comments left by your visitors is key to enhancing interaction and satisfaction. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing the backend of your Squarespace site, where all the customization and management happens. After clicking on Login, the next step is to continue with Google. This is a convenient feature if you've linked your Squarespace account to your Google account, as it streamlines the login process and keeps you from having to remember yet another password. Simply click on the Continue with Google button and proceed. Following that, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account that's associated with your Squarespace site. This should grant you access to the back end of your site where all the editing tools and management features are housed. Once you're logged in, go directly to your website's dashboard. Here you can manage various aspects of your site, but today we're focusing on comments. To do that, you'll want to visit the Pages section. You might see your website's preview, but look for the Pages menu or icon, which typically brings up the organization of your site's content, including blog posts, portfolio pages, and more. After navigating to Pages, the next step is to manage the comments directly. You should see an option labeled Manage Comments, or something very similar. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can see all the comments left across different pages of your site. It's a centralized spot for comment management, making it easier to respond, delete, or moderate the feedback you receive from visitors. And there you have it. That's your step-by-step guide to accessing and viewing comments on your Squarespace site. Remember, engaging with your audience through comments is a great way to build community and keep your visitors coming back for more. Regularly checking and responding to comments can truly make a difference in the success and vibrancy of your site. Keep experimenting with Squarespace's features, and don't forget to look into their support and community forums if you have more questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into making the most out of your Squarespace site.